Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
To discuss stocks on the move and companies to watch, we have Nora Melinda, Bloomberg Television Markets correspondent with us. Nora, what are you watching?
Well, Alex, let's take a look at Goldman Sachs. We've been talking about this a lot. This is ticker GS. Of course, we're seeing bank earnings continuing as we push through this earnings season. We're seeing shares of this company up as much as 3.8%. This is after it posted an all-time high, an all-time Wall Street record of $4.31 billion in equities trading revenue in the last 3 months of the year. Of course, we're really just also still continuing to keep our eyes on expenses because we've been hearing this from a lot of other bank companies. There's been a lot of scrutiny as to how much they're spending. Of course, we talked about some of the names earlier this week that we're spending a lot on severance packages. Of course, we've got job cuts. So some analysts are also pointing toward one possible dark spot for Goldman Sachs potentially being expenses. But all in all, it seems as though the Wall Street is really receptive and taking this well.
Okay, next on your list?
Looking at Applied Materials, of course, this is ticker AMAT. Shares of this company are up as much more than 9%, as much as 9%. This, of course, is after Barclays upgraded the company to overweight from equal weight. They're saying that the chip makers also getting a boost from TSMC, which did set a bullish capital spending target. And that's really been signaling broad-based demand for AI chip companies more broadly. So you are seeing a lot of those tech stocks higher. Take a look at the S&P 500, and we've got information technology as the best performing group.
And Nora, you're also watching Coinbase.
Absolutely. So this is ticker coin. Pretty easy there. We're seeing shares falling more than 4%, right now down about 3.8%. But this is after the U.S. Senate Banking Committee delayed its discussion of the crypto market structure bill. So Coinbase pulled support of the bill due to its limits on stablecoin rewards.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.